Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. If you want to see how we made this delicious apple butter veggie burger, keep watching. Now for this burger recipe, we're just going to start by mixing up the actual burger. So I've got some 93% ground beef right here. And this is going to be a 1/4 of a pound of that ground beef. So now we've got that. Now, obviously, to make it an apple butter burger, we need some apple butter. This stuff is so good. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of apple butter. Instead of using breadcrumbs, I thought it would be fun to use these little white cheddar cheese puffs as a breadcrumb. So there's about 1/2 cup of those. Now we've got some Aleppo pepper to give us some heat, 1/4 teaspoon. This is red peppers mixed with mushrooms. Don't those look delicious? So I've got 1/4 cup, so about 1/8 cup of roasted red pepper, and then 1/8 cup of sauteed mushrooms. Now I think to hold it all together, I need some more of those cheese puffs. Now that's holding together a little bit more. So all I did was just smushed everything together and then popped it into the pan. Now I cooked this on about a medium-high for about 4 minutes on each side. And now that the burger is cooked, we are gonna put some cheese on top. I've got some aged Gouda here. Now if you've seen my videos before, to keep things that I'm cooking on the skillet nice and moist, I do just put a little bit of water in the pan and then put the lid on it. And you can see the cheese is already melting, but I'm just gonna put the lid on just to make that go a little bit faster. Now while our cheese is melting, we'll get everything else ready. Now here we've got a pretzel bun that I went ahead and chopped in half, and we are gonna smear some more apple butter on it. So 1 tablespoon of apple butter on each side. Then I've got this beautiful piece of kale. And then I've got a green apple that I'm gonna slice. Now doesn't that look delicious? Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified the next time we upload another fall or Halloween inspired recipe. Look at how good that looks. Well, we can't wait to dig in, get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.